Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Shopify plan with JazzCash. First, understand that Shopify requires a standard payment method like a debit or credit card. JazzCash, a popular mobile wallet in Pakistan, offers a convenient virtual debit card solution. This card allows you to make secure online transactions, making it perfect for your Shopify subscription. We'll guide you through the process step by step. To get started, open the JazzCash mobile application on your smartphone. Navigate through the menu to find the Virtual Debit Card section. Here, you can easily generate a new virtual card. This card will have a unique 16-digit number, an expiry date, and a 3-digit CVV, all essential for online purchases. Ensure you have enough balance in your JazzCash account before proceeding. Now, head over to the Shopify website and choose the subscription plan that best suits your business needs. During the checkout process, when prompted for payment details, enter the information from your JazzCash virtual debit card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV. You might receive a prompt on your JazzCash app to confirm the transaction. Before finalizing your purchase, always ensure you have enough balance in your JazzCash account to cover the Shopify subscription cost. Also, double-check the virtual card's expiry date and the 3-digit security code to avoid any payment issues. Remember, a smooth transaction depends on these small details. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home or office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.